Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. There are two identical door beans used in this refrigerator. They are located at the bottom of the refrigerator door. They are used for storing smaller objects. The main reason to replace the door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the door bean, we need to lift it up and remove it. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door bean, we need to lock these sides over these two brackets here. You can call it brackets on the door. Make sure it goes like that behind this one, and we can press it down. And now when we're done, we can close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.